Hey there, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today we're going to be talking about why most active traders fail. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hi there. Today we're going to be talking about why most active traders fail. Now, there are many of you out there, you're searching the internet, you're looking through books, you're studying different systems, you've gone to seminars, you've bought lots of trading systems perhaps. We're going to go over some of the key reasons why most traders fail. Now, I know that I've been guilty of this, and I have to say, in many cases, most people probably would have walked away. The amount of emotional pain and I guess the learning curve for me was very steep. It took me a long time to finally get my head around some really basic concepts about how simple trading should be. But today we're going to go through some of the main reasons why most active traders fail and why psychology, risk management, and methodology are really the three pillars. And for the most part, risk management and your psychology are the two things that you really need to work on the most. Number one, most traders come into the market because they're attracted to a couple of things. One is that they want to win, and they want to make a lot of money. Now, one of the problems with that is that winning has nothing to do with successful trading. And one of the things about our psychology is that, especially if you've come from a background where you've been an elite performer or you've been used to excelling, whether it's in your profession or in your studies or in sport, if you're used to putting in the effort and working hard and being rewarded for that, you can find that trading can be one of the most challenging experiences that you'll ever have, because it doesn't matter how hard you work. The market can only go up, down, or sideways. And if you're not on the right side of that equation, that can be a struggle if you're used to winning and wanting to be right every time. And in fact, you don't even have to have a high winning percentage in trading to consistently make money over the long term. So we'll talk about that. So number one, winning. People want to win all the time and they want to be right all the time. Being right. So they want to forecast, they want to be able to predict where the market's going, they want to take a trade and for it to move immediately in their favor, and they want to know and they want to have confirmation that they're right. You know, a lot of people maybe also want to share that with their friends or their colleagues or other people. They want them to know that they're a trader, and so it's important for them that they can show people that they know what they're doing and they know they want to be right. Now, those first two key points are two of the biggest hurdles that people will struggle with, because often, even with a winning system, because they don't understand how to apply that and use their risk management to make it successful, they'll use a system for a while and discard it. And then they'll go and look for another system and start system jumping, because they want something that can confirm to them on a trade-by-trade basis with absolute certainty that they're right and that they're winning. Number three, they want to make money, and they want to make it today. One of the illusions that many people have is they've got the picture of somebody down on the beach with their laptop, and I know you've seen me on the beach probably in some of the other videos, but you'll notice I don't have my laptop with me. The illusion is that you can punch a few buttons, make a few trades, and it's as easy as that. Excuse me, and you can do it from any location. And unfortunately, the reality, at least for me and for the professional traders that I believe are consistently making money and are in this business and succeeding, is that they work very, very hard. And you know, like the old joke, I was an overnight success. It just took me 20 years to get there. I don't know anybody who's a professional trader who does well that doesn't work hard even after they're successful every single day. And they all know that they're only ever one trade away from destroying their trading account. So, number one, winning. Number two, being right. Number three, they want to make money and they want to make it today. You have to understand, if you're in this for the long haul and that you're serious about being a professional trader, you may have some losing days. You might have some losing weeks. You might have some losing months, and you may even have some losing years. But if you have an edge and you consistently apply a risk management methodology over the long term, you can consistently carve out a percentage profit, probably better than the market, and if you're really good, a lot better than the market. And you can make an income as well as a return on your investment money. But you have to understand the 3 M's, the 3 pillars, which we've talked about in another video. Number 4, they focus on entries and exits. So they want to be right, they want to win, they want to make money, and they want to know, where do I get in and where do I get out? And they think that it's all about where they enter, and that's where a lot of the system jumping comes in again. So they're so concerned with getting in, making money right away, and they need to know where the place to buy or sell right away, and then take the opposite side of that trade and immediately capitalize and make money, which is why day trading is so popular, because people feel that they need to be able to be on the screen every single day and they should be making money. And in some cases, some of the best day traders may only have 2 or 3 really good days a week, and they may, the disciplined ones may be on a screen and recognize that the market that particular day, or the market structure that's presenting on that particular day, is not suitable for their strategy. Now, I've said this before in my other videos, I mainly trade end of day, and I still have to work on staying off the screen during the day. I love to see and watch price action and study it and see if I'm right. But see, I understand more and more, especially from going through Brent Penfold's work, the better loser you can become and understanding risk management, the more likely you're going to succeed in trading. You can almost take any strategy, and if you apply the proper risk management, probably make money over the long term. And that's a really important concept to understand. Number 5, they don't understand risk management. So again, this is the most important thing. Most traders, again, they want people to know that they're a trader. They know when to buy, when to sell, and they can extract profit any day, any time, any place, any market. And that's the illusion. I'm a risk manager. If you go and read some of Paul Tudor Jones stuff, it's always about protecting your butt first and making money second. I don't want to lose money. I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars in my professional education, but probably not too far off of that in my trading education. And now, after several years of making all the mistakes, I've finally grasped the concept about risk management. And that's what really you're doing, is you're constantly managing risk, and that's all that you're doing. Number 6, they don't have a trading plan. So again, they want to trade, they don't need a trading plan, they understand, they just want to know where they need to get in and where they need to get out. And I've always said, if you don't have a trading plan, if you're not planning, if you plan to fail, you're failing to plan. Sorry, if you're failing to plan, you're planning to fail. And that's a really important thing. You need to articulate your strategy and your edge on paper, and then you need to be able to understand how you can take that process and follow that flawlessly. And again, if you look at the other some of my other videos, the 6 key components, I go through that about the trading process and flawless execution. That's what you're designed, your whole approach should be on risk management and the flawless execution of your trading system. Number 7, they don't understand trading psychology. And again, hope, greed, fear, and pain. Those are the 4 emotions that you need to learn to deal with, because as soon as you press the button and enter a trade and it's live, it's not paper trading, which that's another video. I don't agree with that. When you have money on the line, that's when your emotions take over, and you're going to be battling hope, greed, fear, and pain. And those are the things that will cause you to not follow your plan, or move your stop losses, or not have a stop loss in place, or average into a losing position, or allow a losing trade to grow so large to the point where the pain gets so great that at some point you have to get out of that trade, and you practically, if you haven't done so, blown up your trading account. So again, just to rehash, losing traders focus on winning, being right, making money, entries and exits. They don't understand risk management, they don't have a plan, and they don't understand trading psychology. In the next video, we're going to talk about what winning traders do. and how they succeed long term in the market. I hope you got some value out of today's video. As always, I appreciate your feedback and your comments. Stay disciplined, stay focused, go through your trading plan, go through your affirmations, work on your mindset, develop confidence and a winning mindset, and may the markets go with you. Thanks, traders.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.